Hey everybody, this is day 6, which is 11. This will be dose 11. And for this morning I had oatmeal again. And my wife was watching my videos in the Philippines, because she's Filipina and should be coming here in a couple months. And she's like, why aren't you ever wearing your wedding ring? Because you're single. Why are you single? And you made a new profile for my new YouTube channel. So she's watching me on the video chat, and I'm showing her that I tell everybody that I'm married. When I go to work, I have to take my ring off because I'm not allowed to wear rings at work. So I put it in my car on my little thing that makes the steering wheel go up and down. So when I get off work, I'm tired and I come in the house, and that's where it ends up at. So that's why I might probably get a necklace maybe and wear it on a necklace. That way I always got it. But I'm married. She'll watch the video and everybody will know that I'm married. I'm not on here to date. I'm on here to get viewers and subscribers and make my videos. That's all. So, but anyway, I'm gonna take my HCG. It's the 11th dose, and I weighed myself again today, and I'm right at 223. So I've already lost like 3 pounds or something, 4 pounds or whatever it was. I don't know. But anyway, I ain't worried about that. My pants are getting looser. I know it works. It's a good diet. So I'm going to take my half a milliliter, and then I will upload this video, and that will be the end of that for today for the diet until I eat lunch or dinner. There's a little bit more there. Okay, there we go. And that's it. I'm not hungry. I feel good. And I'm losing weight. So I will be back tonight.